You know, this evening we are honoring some of the most outstanding youth in our region, and that's based on their contributions and service to their community, to their schools, their family, and their club. So we thought, what better time than tonight to honor our Stan Naccarato Community Service recipient. I'd like to tell you a little bit about this award and the history of it and why it is so prestigious. In 1992, the Boys and Girls Clubs of Pierce County wanted to recognize the important contributions of dedicated volunteers. And not just any volunteers, but those whose vision and leadership had made a significant and lasting difference in our community, making it a better place to live. Inspired by the dedication of one leader, we created the Boys and Girls Clubs Community Service Award and named it after its first recipient, who has spent his life in Pierce County working to make our community a better place. To date, there have been 21 recipients. Unfortunately, some of those past recipients are no longer with us, but the memory of how they served the community is vivid and a testimony to their spirit of giving back to their communities. As I mentioned the past recipients of the Stan Naccarato Community Service Award, I would like for each recipient to stand and remain standing, and then we will show them our appreciation at the end with our applause. First of all, Stan Naccarato, the late Jane Russell, the Boeing Company, and the Boeing Employees Good Neighbor Fund. I know we have a lot of Boeing employees. Please stand. Bill Phillip, Dr. George Tanbera, the late Kelso Gillenwater, Michael A. Tucci, John Woodworth, Tom Mustin, Jerry Coram, Brad Cheney, Don Lucien, the Puyallup Tribe of Indians, the late Mrs. Carol Milgard, Willie Stewart, Tacoma Athletic Commission, Melanie Dressel, Larry Saunders, Claudia Thomas, Doug MacArthur, and the Truffaut Family Foundation. Let's give them all a round of applause. Stan, if you would at this time come up and help me present the award to this year's distinguished recipient.
Before I mention the name of the winner, at our table tonight is Frank Wright. He's the head man at the Emerald Queen Casino, and when you've raised as much money and time as I have and love doing it in the city of Tacoma, I can only say that the tribe has never said no when I've asked them for anything having to do with young people or old people or in between. Frank Wright, stand up and take a bow, would you please? Also, the other person that he's with his beautiful wife, and I'm with mine. And here's a young lady who went into bowling, who on a big tournament nationwide threw 40 strikes in a row. Her name is Jeannie Naccarato. Stand up, darling, take a bow. Tonight we will award this honor to someone who has made a superior contribution to our community. This year's recipient is Ms. Carolyn McDougal, President and CEO of Lindquist Dental Clinic for Children. Throughout her professional career, Carolyn has made an impact on thousands of children's lives through her work at Lindquist Dental Clinic, which is a private, not-for-profit dental clinic whose mission is to provide accessible, compassionate, and effective dental care to South Sound children in need. She spearheaded the development of the ABCD dental program of Pierce County, and under her leadership, Lindquist Dental Clinic has grown from a small 5-chair dental clinic serving 2,000 patients to now having 4 clinic locations and a dental outreach program. Last year, they provided 22,000 patient visits, and with the new expansion, which includes a 6-chair dental clinic at the Boys and Girls Club's new Donald G. Topping Regional Hope Center, they are poised to provide 44,000 patient visits and serving approximately 4,500 youth through their dental outreach program. Carolyn also has impacted the community with her volunteer activities. She is currently the president of Tacoma No. 8 Rotary Club. She is responsible for the direction and leadership of developing child abuse intervention department of Mary Bridge Children's Hospital, and is a founding and current board member of the Children's Advocacy Program Center of Washington. Let's give a warm welcome to the 2011 Stan Naccarato Community Service Award. The recipient is Carolyn McDougal. Would you come up, Carolyn? Would you all stand and give her a bigger round of applause? She has really earned it. Carolyn, this is what it's all about tonight, and it's your turn.
Thank you. I really just want to say thank you all. I feel very honored, very humbled, because I look around the room and I see so many people that do so much for this community, and I just feel proud to be a partner with all of you in making Tacoma, Pierce County, and the South Sound a better place for children and families. So thank you. I feel honored.